asa mangana yobogendia na baire no bomanyi ese miaka emenge precisely 23 years. So ekero murangigene na customers bose abana baino na muramanyanga na botoko bafundisha asenchire gwenerete aiga ntobwata abalimu bali qualified babwate NTSA compliance intutogo cha chibesa chinga inkera kintoko ofa chi service chingi ya pi omwana akoruga iga kamanyete kogendie gari ogendo cha kogendo byaigo tolentera abanafunzi egena baroba enjoy services cheito cha Befis Driving School.
Ongor kubiuta Omanga on the director ya Befis Driving School base diga Busongo Sansora Hall Sansora building toko over category chons chia driving tokwira bageri kubakaribisha mwenzi bali mutata kwa driving incho mangana magoli tokwane ntomate economy bunere egena nga ekaroko to abana banafunzi bawo gosayo manyano gocha igokoro akole competent manyanga ekaroko endiga aliria nobugima bwao na endi nobugima bwa bali mugeti tako genda origerigwe license otarakora driving na igekora turi busonga serikali atotelibaga tokokonye birengererio na ku train egere umanya na kigutumia chipara asegusi na Kenya ngima kwa jumla. Karibu sana.
Befis Driving School Monyoka oigire kogendia ndondo negari asubumanyi boigoro.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Onchubura no butko ya bulitkeri gali Jumanne tariki 29 cy'umutinyo iga oikomi mwako iga namanga bega koneki gwa kurwase county itu ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wike county ya Nairobi chinga kiabaliki baito ba mangana majya abekire kambi kurwa achinsemo a olitkolia rero rigima koneki ngango chirukonyora asenchira yobokiranu Ekeonga Chinsa Inye asenchira yobokiranu kwa Kevin Onkoba kurwa sensemelia Wanchumure Ekeonga Chinsa ni gotogo chaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii abuase omurundi yomo bwegari aina ya Mark X niganya kubogotia amakweli magega y'abantu abarenge amunekirianda egetindi konyakoba bakurigia gusamba egari yo yamaga y'omurundi yo gutuma abantu babere kurwa asensemelia ya Jokfira nabo igoyonde kurwa senseme ya Nyamataro makutano epare ne kurwa Nyamataro goika makutano nigo egotebe komna nigo omogendia bwe egario yo akora egakorekyo egentaba menyi benseme ibenge no borobotindi baligia gusamba egariae nabo nigo yera abanyimbo wika asenseme ya sobwango nenchiremo yogotoria egati yabamenyi kurwa asenseme ibaringe no borro obotindi nanyabanyora chinga kichinko muniga baika gotoria omurundi oyo. Wanchumura chinga kiagane tukone kigwa kurwa senseme yori tukori arero nigo omo MCB ward ibeno moske sivarika alire ila yogo chia kubwaterana amonit sector amne nchiremo yokone kinga obereka gukinia e ward ibeno okwana ritkori arero chinga ki akora omorobelio o public participation asenseme yo niga bereka gotamna nigara chi kubwaterana amona minyikurwa se ward yu elikone kinga amagendero abereka gukirana na tukumanyigwa numurikito Daniel Untiri
asomorobelio bugosangirira birengereryo oyo manyikanite muno buna public participation ase ward ibeno yoragwa no mu MCA we ward yu muske Steve Arika mwegorero nigo bareta bwatani kurwa ci sector aho igati abo abwatani bamangana y'uburimi abo wakilishi kura service y'umubunge webunge ya Nyaribari chache muske Zairi Janda abagayani muno bomanyikanite buna mediators abana boda boda abanyegitari ababwatani kurwase sector ya community health promoters abanya committee kurwase dispensary ya ibeno balia baligetikero kyo MCA ase ward yo egati yebwatani banda bange abwaso bwamo baikaransa haso kuligiria unabara suke ward ya ibeno bosyo mwego yiga ni okoreka sensemo ye ibeno nechinga kicho muskarika otebuna oyiga n'umucyakano tu bw'amagendero
abantu babwata magani yabo aho munyagitari gateta magani bunyagitari monto boda boda gateta magana boda boda omulemi gateta magana yobolemi nakyato bwatwa kabo bisabo bolemi go amagendero gakogenda kera interest ye group buna yaren
omentabuna nigara chikubukia bikaro bingabune bigam namono omwaka utaraera boigobosyo bwetaro yomurayi bikyama gya ODM muskere Odinga asorogongo robusi omwelio bumutinyo gocha
kera sector ya ibeno na office yomo jumbe ne ronja wakirishwa kororanga ina kitogo kora ibeno ya itegendere nande na kitokwaligania omogeni yuanchire gocha gutokwania ase ward yebeno egereri tukuria Thanksgiving tosereke amona gochenga
egetambo kirekiga ne gokiago kigati yebubwatani abo baikirana sigikarikega nechinga kigati abo basanga negetaseni kyagetembe batayabuna ikigange chikokonya kwegendereria
njiri gonga tengo moshimwe wito Steve Arika mbiyamona asinga chomorobero kurangira stakeholders yabara yawo asinga chukubwatana magendro ibeno ward morobero na kumusaba abakanyogandira butambe kere nere nchira emiremera abaga okoreka arebe katakanya kora wetani abande kabara orro bakobwatirana
igonko manya tura mangana amange ya magendero kero umuntu ukwane ibirengeri byaye egekogera tukire igo ebinde bingana bakonyora ntumanyetie ebinde bikwamete ase ward
twabere no mogoko asa mangana twanyareko batofundiswa sisi kama viongozi kuna na kitura nyareko batoko gendera libene ward yeito erinde abantu baitu banyareko babako bakonyora benefits kuru ase amagenderaya meeting ejitogenderete ko togenderere konyora meeting bunechiga ibene yoito nigera amese mpaka batari baranyareko babagotara kuchokorora amagenderare ya ibeno ward
nkuru batereka seni Getembe kuraiga ibeno ime bunge ya Nyaribari chache ase county ya Kisii litrane nguruku Daniel Untiri
Yamona sana murikito Daniel Untiri noraboto ruwasenchira yobo ikirano tokwirana asensemelia ye bunge yabo machoge chache nigo mo MCB ward yabo sosengera muske Peter mukwa okelio aberka gwesokia na kulira yogo chia kobwaterana amuna minyibenseme yo eligo ikirania amagendero okwana negetaseni Getembe nigo muske Peter mukwa okelio abaire bagwa komotogia omugabana we county ya Kisii muske Paul Simbarati asoko na kinga nigo abanyakonda bali abegete koro ise chipara nigo bakora emirimo yabo asenchira igwendete
munango kuona mono amangana ichipara chiri abantu bakolera mono nabonda ko baswa inche amono umugabano yonsigete mono naende okende ko tusikaine naende onsigete mono na bwatire bona matoko kuana igachi para cyane kugikora subikiri chipara isane mo kirase budget ngiyatangaze tutayara si contract indere wiring tige apply chipara cyane cyonse yabo so tsengera nkiroro chipara isane mo gihugu gukora ubona chipara ikigo koru cyonse chikoera jetindo chegenda baso tsengera baramboli wetera samagendo bantu mete special yamana yechipara chipara ndo chinimbegete kresa application muna bantu baminto banya koiba nimbegete chipara ibero roya mekorwa itaracha echege kongo iskuru ekinyakoiba eyende guchakira makini naende soke nyakoiba igoro igo chiparanchiro ibero roreti tokogenda asakuru kwa bantu ba minto baibencho nimbegete para ikuruo mugaruka yaso amo choru mate ngukore mwere ngocha sande nimbegete para ende nyarenda ikoru itubonge egenda nyarenda skuru egenda lia kimonge nimbegete para ende ikoru mate matagaro etire kurunya muracha etire bakasengera mission etane sengera ago igo at least yasamana ya magendo yipara cyanendo china nyasao kongajire tambi yani emyaka 5 mosot sengera ta kombori guru ya magendo yipara go ikachirabe nende ikabataja asara ya na magendo anda mirasi bya ICD ne skuru ya nyamasege ne bwate grass bya ICD kirikiere moten kiriga bana ari goteba butambe ne skuru ya nyakenyere ne bwate grass kiriga moten biri gabana atenda go katoro sibirasi bya kabisa abana bakubekira nyonye TV mibakorora igo asama genda ina otagenda ko kaza nende ngotebya abantu baito balemereri no burayi bwaito burayi mburi bakongu burayi nyasangwa nchale ebintu bikorekana bitu aba promised bakore omugabana nagenda gusurika mono utubwate simono naende gotoa egasira raisi bakorera abana inchi ase ebintu byetu tubabegete ne nagenda ko bikasa ekaragenda ko bikasa na kubisira amagendera akoreke egere Kisii county yarokane amagendera achire mutu naende ngo gukwanira abantu ba minto ba nyakoiba iparanere arwete kemunche
Munchi murata kwerena semo ende ebirengerero aoni go bigenda takuruigwa kubatkana amoni chinkumamna nigo muswado rachkunyakabo ikigwa bosibwe bunge oyurengete komenta emyaka yobura ikurwe tano goika etane bere ebirengerero aoni go byabirwi kurwigwa kurwa ase county ya Nyamira asabange babiri bagutugutirare okomentwa ku emyaka yobura ikurwe tano goika etane bere kurende nigo babiri bagotemuna libagario komenta emyaka iga nebwenete kunyakaba kego keanigwa kurwa etano goika no emyaka 3 ngane yo nigo yasirwa amono mujumbe okitutu masaba moske Clive Mbanegisairo na tokumanyigwa no murikito Fred Agari
Uwatekana no muswada uyoba gokorentwa ase bunge ye seneti aso komente myaka yobora ikuru 5 goike 5 nebere nigekerengeli keiga kigenderete korenta ebirengelio ao asabange barorekanire koba mamincha na kugania emyaka yogo keigwa goike 3 gose ene bagokwana na Getembe nigabange baburirenga nigo barachandike na mono asabarai ababe
Marieta nyango ya kurbo gitutu ya masaba nigo tokumeti goro yo muswato yo gocha bungo chenjiri chiko ngomonta gambe emyaka 7 abantu bande to bachande getesi ko buna bana tosometi abana isiko bale mbaranyora gasi omuntu atagitaga gambe baka gotera sikero na abana bande bakotera isiko igo ndika abana bakanyore birugo anyarikana ichikeri ndi chenji kuna ndiri bwante koira na gocha se emyaka 3 ikiagera abantu bande banyore bagana uko noko gotera se birugo
geriga mpinge gendeke infrastructure ngest way possible ntebenga emyaka ikwansa tutakiri ko nyake muna bakenya ira ni emyaka ene muna America ikiagera emyaka ye 7 gukwana stili ye 5 tobaete wengi wana tusumbua toza ko choro muntu se emyaka 7 oyoro muntu mobe atochande bakatogoti
kunyarikana pia kiagera no ini myaka ye bamenyire babeira ase government igabona igatogendereta twachandikire egento barigirete ne mishara yabo na komende ibintu byabo bari gotokorera gasi ekibatagete bachikokora wendu igo gwika bunge abapunge bayo oyo koyoetia akingagerete ngaba Kenya bonse pigo barigirete tole maiso igo tuchandikete no nyembono myaka ebutoru kwanse ebe no enene ekiagera batuchandikete
na ende myaka ende bere gochigoro igera bari goso ekora no renya eni myaka ebere yarire nturariketa keire ingakina ra comment ebintu takoragire itugento gokora tunyore nturugo jagra tumumanyanga na bagwento gotebi bintu bindu
etanguru kwedo dio moyo ngeli lakini mono manyagane tuna political penicillin ukekere naland void government ye boni ga ya Kenya na abantu abachorire baye igo bagokora ibintu anti clockwise emyaka yobere bamente toko subtract kuruse emyaka 5 they need to go for 3 years ikabakogenda for 4 years Kenya angie kikira kibako kibata kitakomentu myaka ene they wanted to abata kitakomentu myaka ilinde baendera go suppress Kenyanism kurende chigo ikago 2027 tufagie what waende nyumbani tupate new leaders abantu ababani ga they are drunk with power
kagokwana aso musangerekano yo mase wodi erigo mabogetutu masabe county ya Nyamira mujumbe webunge ya Bugetutu Masaba Muske Clive Mbanegi Sairo yumanyikanite bunengoko nigo boigamo chire karangeri ekigie seneti asokomente miaka asate birenga nangambu ya asemiake yo gokeigwa goikene.
Actually yaenkonyalikana emiaka ya president umujumbe governor etilimbokere miaka ene ekekyo cha okore miaka 7 bwasi tukokore miaka 2 ekeruiru witu gokorera abantu igasi sio wingi wa miaka Amerika umuntu akora miaka ene yo erinere nsenene pi itu ekenyore ketogoroka Kenya na utagete miaka zaidi ine njira yo kureta ubukurumi no boibi na y'abantu abataka bagendere kukandamizo bagendere ko babataka tigeta neike bantu basubira kuri gasi baende kero muntu akore gasi kunengo ka kore gasi
kinkuri botere Getembe kurwa sebunge ya Bugetutu Masaba County ya Nyamira Inche Freddy Agari.
Right, ndiye muna sana mulikito Fred Agari totigarite asengane yo abajumbe abange nigo babiri bagwesokia na kugendera gukana muna chingaki umuswado yure kigwe bosibwe bunge igoro yo komentwa kwe myaka yoborai korwa 5 goiketane 2 nigo barachie ko yotuguterare muna tokumanyigwa no mulikito David Bogonkonyo kankorwa se county ya Nairobi.
Richiko ose constitution boigo ekatiba ya Kenya nigekurwa libagabene lya ondegwensi yokobol chukura oso abisia se myaka 5 moseneta chiraligei nigo aligeti kunyara kwakago chencha gose korwe ebirengere bya ebene ligo chiko chencha ekatiba chiraligei nigagoteba buna ere nigaro chembuya emyaka 5 nyara kubage komento egende myaka 7 asonde bwensi okobol chukura anne mono president mo seneta boigona babunge baswabisi ase myaka 5 nebere bono maiga yo mubungo yo gosomo senator kure county ya Nandi kunyara kubaga kubeka ibirengere bya ebene goseteneni ababunge korwa asomolengo lyo Kenya kwanza nigo banyara kwa bago esokia asobunge kigima asebanyara kwa bakumugikelia na kumukanya na gotuguterale buna mubungo yo gose omosenator yo ibirengere bya bwate mbali ko chikunyara kwa bakubyanchirana mubunge bwa constituency ya Buhuri rindikiri mugambi tukalia lero nigo neranyara kubaka gutuguterana goteba buna ibirengere lyebyo nigo birebibe ande bitatakeri koba ibirengere lyo mu Kenya.
And we are here to let people know that that is not a government bill, it is the bill of a private individual. The information out there is that created by this bill is like it is a government bill. We are here to state categorically that we have consulted the executive, His Excellency the President. We have consulted the Speaker and the Majority Leader of the National Assembly, and we are all in agreement that those two important institutions, the executive and the legislature, were never consulted by the mover of that bill. It is purely an individual bill, and the government has nothing to do with it.
Homo bunge Ogishugi Dopat Githinji nigo banyare ko bakagukana asanyare ko bakagoteuna barabwo mbayo asongoro bilyo yo huna barabwo ikiama kende tekonyara kubage kwa amberense ya Kenya
that any bill that proposes to extend the term of the president must also go through a referendum. So Kenyans, in the unlikely event that this bill passes through the Senate, which I believe it will be a very big order or a very big task. When it comes to the National Assembly, if it will ever see its light and come to the National Assembly, I want to hereby confirm that after consultation with as many members of parliament, they've said that it will be dead on arrival.
Mubunge omogotio Ruben Kibore Kiboigo niganyara kwa kagoteba na koire irabuna murubilyo yo keranya rekoba ko nyora libagari yaye goso ase fro gose asaba bunge barabo nigo baranyara kwa baguchuba kunyutuguterale na koyukana.
And on that bill, he speaks for himself. Us as Kenyans, leaders of Kenya Kwanza, New DA, we don't support, we don't associate with it, because even if you are given 5 years and you don't make use of the 5 years, even if you are given 15, 20 years, you still don't make use of it. As leaders, we are comfortable with the Kenyan system and the election system of every 5 years, so that voters get the right to reevaluate their leaders and to see what the leaders are doing after each and every 5 years.
mabungo yo buhuri irindikiri mugambi boigo nikanyara kwa kagoteba buna serikali ya Kenya tibwati pesa eguchikunyara kwa kegokora chi referendum eliko chenjiri chikelyo.
So we want to tell Kenyans and Chelegei, the mover, including the Senate itself, they need to be considerate when they are trying to push some bills that have financial implications. The Kenyan economy is struggling, so I don't think whether is anybody sane enough who can say this bill proceeds to the referendum. You know the cost of the referendum. Kenya is on a cruising in terms of development initiatives, and that's what we need to focus on, not the issues of referendum.
Maiga yabono ya participation igose abantu kunyara kwa bakurangeliwa na gutegera amoni acherigei nigo ababunge banyara kwa bakana bange bagotebabuna ebyombire birengeryo biya ine oroboti orondo chikunyara kwa rogweta na goika ase bosyo bwa babunge elio kunyara kwa bakwanera ngolpotere Getembe Television County ya Nairobi eliataliane bugonko nyokangi.
Right imbe amono sana murikito David Bobonkonyo kangi noroboti ruwa senchira yobo ikerno dokorena ase county ya Kisii nigo egatia admin kurwa ase ward aon nigo bagendete komurera oyo mwabo kurwa ase ward yebeno asereta makori nyamweya oyo siru mabwe mayaga yogo kore mirimo ase ward ase county ya Kisii okwana na Getembe nigo bamunyora nyagusira makori nyamweya muna nigo arenge omurai oyo lengo kore mirimo ya asenchira egwendereta.
Uyo sireta agoro kunyamweya Francis Makori sogo aligetuno omogota administrator koru Irongo ward obeiro gokora ega siasi ward kinyinge asete no mogota administrator basi ase ward yagoro ku pas Waitangare akarora kagenda South Mogranga akora ase ward yagoro ku Waikanga Korora ka irana gacha ase kitutu jaje South akore gasi ase ward ko kitutu Central korwa waka na Nyaribari asa akore gasi ngia mona ase ward ya Kiumbu asirete kara ase ward ya Iveno
nyagosira twabere nera ase myaka etari emeke no mokori gasi we bidio renge na ndo monto rengo mwegeme wetanigo no monto anje tomorembe na onsi asa etira akorire meremo bali akore na barabwe meremo niga wata maskani ase bonse kurwo monto mokepi paka abanne bae buna what that means na watu bwate oichana konene kurende bono asingincho ayanga buna yega mwanya wanta konyora na intu esavalnere hitore etwale kwirari bageriga gusaba chinguru asomone nyasaye atobole mereri nabo igomono ase family abaremi asingincho kumusiria omwanchogo
Francis no mogaka oyo orego togo semio bonene abange baito twalige tutorabake nande twa wate amanyingari igoro lakini Francis nabale go toira ninse nande twanyara ko batogoteberanie ase obuya Francis no mogaka wate ubwato mukyo monene ase gasi no nyene kera are egasi are buna renge boikanga nabare kwende gasi kera rituko naende onyara kaboga gutatua mangana mange yare gotonyora buna intu ekero twarenge aseptini igo twasibirio mugaka obwata bosemio bonene naende obwata maraga manene naende amaya gocha asetore buna intu aba ward administrators be county ya Kisii igo ase family ya omugaka Francis Makori twabaire engore enene nekenyoro gyansikia sobo igali birongo asengencho yo kumusiria oyo moyori getu kocha kubawakilisha ase county.
Mwanchumura tokwirana asense mwendeki na Ekeonga mubwateranetiyo yo kabiro mokonyi bumuraigwensi ya Kenya Moskerigadi Gashagwa nigo giachaka gotegerwa bene ase kigambiro kya mirimani loko timye muchu Nairobi nabo nigekine Ekeonga getigwe asense meyigo pinga ogwako isikomuna omokonyi bumuraigwensi ya Kenya ase ensemeyo nabo nigo ekine Ekeonga gochia gotegerwa inse ya abana chebina batatu
Ekina kibwatiranitio kurusi wabezi kwa mokonyi bumurai bwense umutike cha Freri Gashagwa na boigo gochoro kwaye muwasiri bubonende bweme musike Professor Abraham Kidhure Kindiki kwirali bagali aye nigo giachaka emambi ya rero ase kambira kanana mucho Nairobi chinsemo cha milimani
challenge the impeachment for violating
his rights, seeks to have that impeachment vacated.
Bosio bwa wanachebi na butatu Justice Ekeonga, Justice Anthony Murima na boigo Justice Frida Mugambi omokonyi mumurabwenzi oyurusi wabisi musikirigati gashagwa nigagusabeka kambiro gotenenya ogotianika kwaye Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki na boigo gututerwale okurusi wabisi kwaye korengana gashagwa nigo kurusi kwaye abisi kolmo Micheli Chiko na endereta iribaga ndio kwegerera kubwatakana no kurwara kwaye chingaki emirobeli yo komurusi abisi yagenderete ime ya Senate.
Not refer to the court as a standard case or an incomplete case. So it is only the minimum fairness that we should have.
But this is something of the issue of time. What gives directions?
That time not be the issue here. Advocate Andrea, this
boigo nigo abawakiri bae gachagwa bakwamereria ogochorwa kwaye Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki asogotabuna nigo murobeli uyu oyeretiwe mono na sengencho no ena bana njiti bairibaga lyo kurwe birengere byabo wetera somurobeli o public participation omusike gachagwa nigo boigo amereti getambukiro kyomokonyi bo mona chebi na omonene musubat Firamena Mwiru korosia ekiombe gosepenji yabana chebi na batato abo magega yaye bana jete na koene kebuna Firamena Mwiru nigo aimugetie getambukiro kilichiko na igo gutuguterare ogosaba kwaye buna abanachi ebinabo berusie ase ekinekyo nanyina bo nigo gachagwa aikirie kina bosio bwikigambiro gyo kwamereria gose Court of Appeal elikogania abanachi ebinabo Ekeonga, Anthony Murima na Frida Mugambi kwerusia ase ekinekyo. Aaron Ototo, Nyangiri, Getembe TV.
Mwanchumura boigo kora Ekeonga Chinsa Inye litko liarero nigo emrobri ya butambe semi gosia masomo nyako bakegoturbana State University ao maega ya abaorokia Bechi University ochaka kogenda umugiro litko liarero askeri bagotamna nige serikali itaikaraniti amagani yabo yokubamenta emeshahara yabo korwasa University ya Kisii na boigo University kinde nigo amasomo anyakubaka gutena abwase abalimu abaiga babiri batamna mbali gochiegoso ebirasime goika serikali yaberege koikerania okoigwana kwabo gwa CBA babegete 2021 goika omwaka 2025.
We shall never be divided. We shall never be divided. We shall never be divided. For the union makes us strong. Teach them. Hey, go and teach them. You cannot joke with the people who have gone to school. Lecturers have gone to school. You can't cheat them. Go and teach them now. Hey, we have refused to go to class. Go and teach them. That you are scaring us with the sacking. Don't can teach anywhere in the world. Don't scare. We can teach anywhere in the world. You don't scare us with the sacking. And we are very few. We are very few. Dons are very few. Unacheza na sisi. Thank you very much. I want therefore, as the Secretary General of the University Academic Staff Union, Dr. Constantine Wasonga Opio, PhD, LLB, LLM. This is just the second. Usually for our CBAs to be implemented, we must go on strike or tight. This is only the second. There is another one coming. After we have agreed, there will be another one where we'll be differing how they have sent the money to our bank account. Then another strike is coming where we are going to differ about registration of the CBA. Know these things.
One of the critical issues was the basic salary, where the government had given all the other, state officers, public servants, an increment of between 7 to 10%. So as part of the public servants, we had asked, why are we not enjoying this? So finally we told them, it's either we go and we negotiate on this, we also have the same benefits, or we are going to withdraw our labor. They thought it was a joke. We went ahead and actualized the strike. After the strike, they called our national officials. They said, let's have an interministerial team that will work on this. This is after the CS Labor had called for a meeting and they agreed. Where we had Minister of Education represented, we had Minister of Labor represented, Minister of Finance represented, meaning all the key stakeholders were in. When they were negotiating, they said, okay, we agree, we are going to have staff who are between grade 10 and grade 12.
Wanchumure nyuranga boigo chinga ke iga yomugiro bwechire charagose abarimu bechi University ogende twane kigwan nigo aboro kigwa bekirasi ye 12 bagende tamona matemu abo a KCSE na boigo bali ba grade 6 nigo bagende tamona matemu abo akipsea asabari kibaito ba mangana mayakuru ase county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wike county ya Nairobi nko bakirangambia muno na ebo tugwa kirangambia muno sogochora kuligiria Ekeonga Chinsa Inye chubut kubarero nchenkor kwa Kevin Onkoba kurwa sansamelia ye manyirio ni gakor kwa Wilson Makori.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Dental Clinic nenya gitari kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino nigo